Hey guys, what's up? Um, Not a whole lot here. Just cleaned up my room a little bit today. Like around you guys, like the desk and all of that. Been playing Skyrim lately. Also, first softball game of the year is this week. Which means I'll be getting a haircut soon. Yeah. So why is the wireless on? That is so weird. I don't know why the wireless is on. Anyway. Oh, she left her computer on. I just had that full conversation on here. And yes, there is a fan blowing because that picture is moving. Not a whole lot going on in the next few days. If something happens that's worth mentioning, well, as there is, my parents might be leaving for the weekend, so Friday through Monday, so that could be awesome. Hang out with some friends, you know. So yeah, I look forward to it. Oh, I'm gonna start training. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna start training for. I'm gonna start training for. Maybe doing like football or boxing, conditioning or whatever, you know, just to get into it, like so I can get into shape because I want to be able to play, like if I could play football, I'll do that, or box or do something like that, and be in a better physical shape for my future spouse, you know, and for my kids too, whenever that is. So yeah, I'm gonna stop boring you guys with the details, and you're really far away right now, so yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys tomorrow, maybe, depending on what happens. Adios.